Time to wash the dirt away. Rub it up in the tub so wide. Let the bubbles be your guide. Toes go in with a tiny wiggle. Water tickles, makes you giggle. Warm and cozy, not too hot. This is your bath time spot. Grab your soap, it smells so sweet. Rub it gently on your feet. Tiny toes and heels so clean. Now your feet have a happy sheen. Wash your knees and wash your shin. Let the bubbly fun begin. Hands are clapping, what a cheer. Bath time fun is finally here. Rub your belly round and round. Make some splashy splashing sound. Wash it well and make it glow. Rinse it off, now watch it flow. Time for arms both left and right. Rub them clean with all your might. Up and down, then side to side. Let the rubber ducky ride. Tiny hands that love to play. Need a wash the soapy way. Fingers wiggle, scrub-a-doo. Clean hands wave a big thank you. Neck and shoulders come up next. Soupy bubbles do their best. Sing along with happy cheer. Getting clean from ear to ear. Now your back needs love and care. Turn around, soaps everywhere. Rub it gently, feel it slide. That's the way we wash with pride. Time to wash your little face. Soft and slow, a gentle pace. Close your eyes and smile so bright. Bubbles make your cheeks so light. Ears get clean both left and right. Careful hands make them bright. Under, over, clean and neat. Now your bath is near complete. Don't forget your little nose. Give it tiny bubbly blows. Sniff the soap, it smells so new. Bath time scents just made for you. Hairy head now takes a turn. Pour the water, let it run. Shampoo bubbles ladder high. Like a mountain to the sky. Rinse your head from back to front. Splash and laugh, it's bath time fun. Towels waiting big and warm. Wrapped around like a soft storm. All done now, you did great. Fresh and clean, now celebrate. Jump into your jammies tight. Sleepy hugs and dreams tonight.